how to trade smarter, not harder. We're going to break down what it really takes to get ahead of the curve instead of always feeling like you're chasing it. You know, it's the one question every single trader asks themselves. Is it some secret formula? Is it pure luck? Well, the truth is actually way more straightforward. It all boils down to one crucial thing: information. Having the right information at the right time, that's the game changer. For so many people, it's that feeling of always being one step behind, constantly playing catch up to market moves that just seem to come out of nowhere. And that's the core challenge we're really digging into.
Think about your own routine. Are you scrambling through headlines in a panic after the market opens, just chasing whatever's hot? Or are you sitting there, calm, before the opening bell, because you already know where the day's best opportunities are likely to be?
And this just hits the nail on the head. Most retail traders are essentially starting their day blind. They're reacting to breaking news, to analyst upgrades, to sudden price spikes. They aren't prepared. They don't have a plan that's built on a solid view of the entire global market.
So how do you break out of that crazy cycle? The key is to get yourself a decisive informational edge before the trading day even really begins. Let's take a look at how that actually works.
A perfect example of this is a service called the Daily Edge. It's an essential morning briefing that's designed to land in your inbox by 7:30 a.m. London time. And that timing itself is a huge strategic advantage. It gives you critical hours to digest the info and get prepared before the big markets even open. What's so great here is that the purpose is crystal clear. A key part of trading smarter is moving beyond just random market commentary. The goal here is to identify specific, high-probability trade setups. The focus is all on practical application and consistency, not just some abstract theory. Okay, so what's actually packed into this kind of daily briefing? And see the different parts that come together to create this information advantage. First thing to get is that there are actually two distinct reports. From Monday to Friday, there's the Daily Edge. That one is tailored specifically for day traders who need immediate, actionable setups for that day. Then, on Sunday, you get the Weekly Edge, which takes a bigger picture view for swing traders, looking at strategic opportunities for the whole week ahead. This combo really covers both your short-term tactics and your longer-term strategy. So let's see how this builds the complete picture. A really strong pre-market checklist needs to be comprehensive. It kicks off with AI-powered analysis, it covers what happened in global markets while you were asleep, gives you a real read on market sentiment, the whole bull versus bear dynamic, and it flags key economic events so you're never caught off guard. And it all leads to identifying those top trading opportunities for the day. And here's the core deliverable. It's not some overwhelming list of 50 different ideas. The whole principle here is quality over quantity. You're focusing on just 3 to 4 high-probability picks. And what's really crucial is that each idea is verified by multiple independent sources and confirmed with technical analysis before it ever gets to you. Now, on the weekly side, the focus shifts a bit. This report is all about identifying those bigger swing trade opportunities. It gives you in-depth coverage of the stocks everyone's watching. Yep, the Magnificent Seven. And it also dives into the crypto space with analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's really about positioning yourself for the major trends of the week. So, how is all this analysis even generated? What's the secret sauce here that creates this information advantage? Well, it's a powerful blend of deep human expertise and some pretty amazing technology. It all starts with a foundation of deep human experience. We're talking about 28 years of professional trading knowledge. So this isn't just raw data. It's data that's been interpreted through the lens of decades of market cycles, wins, and losses. All that experience gets distilled into the actionable intelligence you get each morning. And that human expertise gets a massive boost from technology. An AI system scans and processes over 100 premium financial news sources. Think about things like Bloomberg, Reuters, MarketWatch. This is the kind of work that would take a single person hours to do every single morning. The AI does all the heavy lifting, pulling out the key info so the human experts can focus on the analysis. The source material frames the value proposition with this incredibly simple quote. The idea is to position this kind of professional-grade prep not as some high-cost tool for institutions, but as a totally accessible investment in your own process. It totally reframes the question from, what does it cost, to what's the return I get on better information?
So, what does this all mean for you, the trader? How does this practically change your day-to-day workflow? Let's just walk through the new routine.
The transformation is really about shifting from chaos to structure. Step 1, you open your inbox. The heavy lifting's already done for you. Step 2, you review the focused opportunities. Step 3, you prepare your strategy. This right here is the crucial part. You're now proactive, not reactive. And finally, step 4, you execute with confidence, because your decisions are backed by data and expert analysis, not by guesswork or emotion. And this brings us right back to our starting theme. The goal isn't to spend more hours staring at charts. It's about leveraging the right information to be way more effective with the time you have. So the final question we're left with is a simple one. Are you ready to stop chasing the market and start mastering it?